Okay, for this problem we have to find the power absorbed by each of the elements. So here is a current source. What I will do, I will use a different color. This is a current source and there is a voltage source and two uh, passive elements. We don't know the current through this branch, but we can see that the current in this branch is 8 amps and 2 amps is going in this direction. This is a current source, so that's the current this is delivering. So remaining 8 is going this way, 2 is going this way, so remaining 6 amps will go that way. So the current through this branch is 6 amps, that we can see. These two elements, these are passive elements because current is going through the entering through the positive terminal and leaving through the negative terminal. So these are passive elements, and this is a voltage source. So let's first find the current, find the power of the current source. So the power absorbed by the current source, 8 amps current source, is 8 times 9. So if I say that to be P1, let's call this P1, this P2, this one P3, and this one P4. So P1 is 72, and since this is a source, we will write minus 72 watts. So that's the power by the current source. Then we have the power by this element, which is P2. It is 2 times the voltage drop is 9 volts, so that's 9, so that's 18 watt. That's P2. Now P3, that's also a passive element. Current through that is 6 amps and voltage drop is 3, so 6 times 3, and this is also positive, 18 watts as well. Now finally P4, though this one is a voltage source, but the current is actually going in this direction, so the voltage source is supposed to it transfers current, it supplies current from positive terminal and the current enters through negative terminal. That's what happens. But in this particular circuit, the voltage source, it is actually absorbing power because current is entering through the positive terminal and leaving through the negative terminal. We can see current is going downwards, so entering through the positive terminal and leaving through the negative terminal. So this one, for this particular circuit, the voltage source is also acting as a passive element. It is absorbing power, not supplying power. So this one will be again 6 times the voltage source value, 6 times 6. So the voltage drop is 6 volts. It is drop because current is going from positive to negative, and the current is also 6 amps, so that's 36 watt, and this is also positive because this is applying absorbing power. So according to conservation of energy, P1, P2, P3 plus P4 will be 0. Let's see if that happens. P1 is negative because this is supplying power, or it's delivering power, so minus 72. Then we have 18 plus 18 plus 36. So let's see what happens. This is minus 72 and this one when added up is plus 72, so that is actually 0. So this is the power condition of the particular circuit.